इस बच्चों का ऑनलाइन स्कूल। Kitchen things.
Which is this thing?
Teapot.
Which is this thing?
Grater.
Which is this thing?
Oven glove.
Which is this thing?
Napkin.
Which is this thing?
Spoon.
Which is this thing?
Cooker.
Which is this thing?
Cutlery.
Which is this thing?
Chef's knife.
Which is this thing?
Rolling pin.
Which is this thing?
Bread basket.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe this channel for more videos. See you in next video. Bye kids.